Ooh, there you go.
Oh, this one's only $1. I want to know the saver if it's free.
There's a lot.
Or maybe it was $1.25.
Stan prepares to vacuum his car. Really should have charged his battery. Oh, there we go. Whoa. All right. Oh, that looks so horrible. Good God. Can't even hear anything. And now the crappiest car wash ever. Oh, there we go. Missing the best part. Red means stop. Not opening doors means don't open the door. Wow, we got the back of the car pretty good.
Hello?
Don't do that!
You got it on video?
Yeah.
Hello?
I'd like to live.
Hello?
That's enough. Goodbye. And he puts on the windshield wipers in the car wash.
I'm trying to clean the wipers out, maybe.
Fine. That's the evil circling car wash thing just engulfs us here. Oh, good Lord. Low battery again. That was enough. Really don't know. You're the only one I know who opens their windows in a car wash. Or uses the windshield wipers in a car wash.
He cleans off the wipers, dude.
In the car wash. That's the evil circling washing thing surrounds us.
Yeah, wait till it goes into turbo mode.
Turbo mode. I mean, it hasn't already?
Now it has.
Oh, good. Oh, man. Oh, wow. That's kind of cool, actually.
Isn't it?
I enjoy it. Wow. You have rear windshield wipers?
Yeah.
I never knew that.
It's warm up here.
It is rather toasty. I have to say, toasty.
Oh my god, it's raining. Oh god, it smells awful.
What's in there?
Ugh. Who cares? It stinks.
Ugh, that's disgusting. Is that Burger King?
No.
Dairy Queen?
Death.
Death Queen? Oy, oy, oy. Hello, vomit. Aw.
So if that's the grossest thing I've done, then sue me.
I really will sue you. I really will get sprayed in the face by something.
Febreze?
It really is exactly what everyone's getting sprayed in the face with.
Goodbye, dude.
Oy.